Hi, this is Keith Russo again with another tutorial on the Behringer X32 digital console. Yay! Today we're going to cover matrix sense. And they can be accessed by engaging the fourth button off the master section. As you can see, we have 6 matrices. Now, unlike the auxes or even left and right, you can't assign channels. You're basically assigning other sends, whether it's aux sends, left and right, even subgroups. So it's more of groups and already mixed sends that go to this this particular type of send. So anyhow, not getting too crazy on it. How you facilitate a mix would be as follows. You would decide on what of these are actually set up as pre-fader mixes. These are subgroups, and obviously this is left and right. If I wanted to add, say, subgroup 1, I would select it, and then there's a couple ways you can find the sends. You could either scroll page left and right this way, or simply click the view on the bus sends section of the console. As you can see, ready, boom, there you go. Now, as you can see on the left hand side are 3 virtual faders, 1 through 6, which represent the matrices 1 through 6. Since we've selected the first subgroup and we're on matrix 6, you go to the bus sends, and as you recall, clicking 1 through 4 means this will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now it would be matrix 1, 2, 3, and 4. That would be 5 and 6, and the rest of it would mean nothing because we're not dealing with the auxes now. We're dealing with the setting up sends to the matrix. So going back to 1 through 4, this rotator, or also, like, there's several different ways to do anything on a digital console. This particular rotator here for level 1, as you turn it, it's actually increasing the selected group into matrix number 1. Say, for instance, that's vocals. Okay. Now, the next subgroup, say that would be instruments. That's selected, which means now, as you can see, there's nothing in number 1 because we're on a different subgroup. We'd have to once again either go to the rotary of the bus sends, as you can see, or the rotary underneath the screen itself. Now we've added that also to the output to matrix 1, right here. Now we're only halfway there. We got the mix assigned to that particular bus. Now we have to assign an I/O, which is basically short for input/output. And XLR basically serves the 2 functions. So we send matrix 1 to an I/O that will feed a speaker. And to do that, you go to routing on the screen, boom, and we page over to out 1 and 16, 1 to 16. As you can see, on the left-hand side are the outputs, which are the I/Os on the back of the console. I don't know if you can see that. And over here on output signals, output signal here, there's my finger, here's my finger, there's my finger. As you can see, that is the that is what is assigned to that output that we just talked about. So we want to scroll down until we get to matrix 1, turning this down right here. Matrix 1, and press it to assign it. Bang. Now what we've facilitated is sending everything that goes to matrix 1 out of I/O number 1. Actually, let's send it to 9 because I forgot how I wired this. I did wire it to 9. Okay. And click again. Boom. That's not what we want to do. Right there. Click, click. It's hard to coordinate here. And as you can see, 861 is going to output 9. Bang. Done. So, in theory, if I talk into this microphone here, it should be going to output 9, IO9, which feeds, is fed by matrix 1. Check, check 1, 2. Check, check 1, 2. There you go. Piece of cake, no?